Alright, homework 3.4, 13 through 19. This is going to be 13 and 15, okay? This is what it gives you. We want to graph it. To be able to graph it, we got to solve for y. And we're going to have to figure out y anyways, right? Now we could just plug it in and solve, but if we move this really quickly, minus 2x, then I got y is equal to negative 2x plus 4, okay? It's really simple. Okay? Alright, now, all I'm going to do, this is the domain. The domain stands for what? X or Y?
Both.
X. X. Remember, D comes before R, right? X comes before Y. This is your X. Okay? So I'm just going to be plugging this in. Negative 2 times negative 3 plus 4. Okay? What does that equal?
Dad, you're doing the wrong one. Oh, I thought it was
13. We good? Okay?
What the hell?
What is negative 2 times negative 3?
Negative 2, positive 6.
Positive 6 plus 4.
10.
10. So the range, right? The range is going to be 10 for that one, right?
Yep.
So should I do that in a different color? You guys don't use pens anyways yet, so it doesn't matter. Okay.
The big dogs don't use
I got to do it again. I got to put it for negative 1. So y is equal to negative 2 times negative 1 plus 4. What is negative 2 times negative 1?
positive 8.
No. Negative 2 times negative 1.
How many are positive 2?
Positive 2. 2 plus 4? 6.
I don't know.
So there's the 6. Okay? Alright. Y equals negative 2 times 4. Right? Plus 4 is what? Negative 2 times 4 is?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Plus 4. What is negative 8 plus 4? Negative 4. Okay? So that's where the negative 4 comes from. Okay? Next.
That's 2 negatives.
Y equals negative 2 times, what's the last number I'm plugging in?
7.
7. Plus 4. What's negative 2 times 7?
Negative 14.
Negative 14. Plus 4 is what? Negative 10.
There you go, niece.
Okay? So there it is. Now I have my points, right? So now I graph them. Now watch this. The purple one. I got to go negative 3 and 10. The most I got to go is 10 and negative 10, right? And the most here I got to go is 3 and 7. So I got to have 10 on each side. That's going to help. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you guys have graph paper, so it's real easy for you. Okay? And this is why I bought those. Okay? So when you do the graph, it can be really good. Alright, so this is going to be 10. This is going to be negative 10. This is going to be negative 10. This is going to be 10. Right? And this is going to be y, and this is going to be x. Okay? So the purple one's the first one. So the y is on the bottom, and the x is on the sides. Okay? So I'm going to go negative 3, right, in the x direction. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go 10 in the y direction. And that's going to be my point. This one. It's going to be my purple point. Now my black point, this guy, I'm going to go negative 1 and then up 6. Am I recording?
No. Looks like it.
Yeah, I am.
You can see because the big head.
Alright, so negative 1 and up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then I'm going to go with the red one. Okay?
Yeah.
In the red, I'm going to go 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go down 4. Boom. Okay? Then I'm going to go to 7 with the green. Okay? This green. I'm going to go over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to go down to negative 10. And that is graphing your points. Okay? Now, is this linear or is it non-linear?
Never mind, linear.
Linear. Yes, sir.
Do you have the graph on there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. That's really all we're doing. Graph each function and give the domain. Right? Well, for the given domain. Well, give the domain, it's already given. Okay? So all we're doing is graphing. But to be able to graph, you have to be able to do the math. Now, guys, focus. This one, we use the y, right? What about this guy over here? This guy over here is using f of x. You see this? What is f of x? Have you seen this before? Yeah, it's y. That's all it is. F of x is equal to y. They're the same thing. But here's why we use f of x. It's called the function with respect to x. Right? The function with respect to x, meaning this. The function with respect to x, meaning if I plug in a negative 2, then that's what I'm plugging in, is a negative 2 for the x. See, that's all you're doing, is plugging it in. Okay? So, f of negative 2 is equal to what? What's negative 7 times negative 2? Marcia, what's negative 7 times negative 2?
Positive 14.
Positive 14.
Good hard.
Close.
Okay? Now, take a look at this. This is your coordinate. Negative 2 and 14. Okay? So you would graph that. Let's do the next one in green. F of equals negative 7, right? Then I'm going to plug in negative 1 and then times negative 1. That's it. That's all we're doing. What is negative 1 times negative 7? Positive 7. Say no more.
Say no more, man.
Okay? So this is your coordinate again. Negative 1 and 7. Okay? Now I got to plug in 0. Alright? 0. So let's do that in purple. F of equals negative 7. So what do I put in purple? 0. So you plug it in. You guys should all be writing this down. This is your homework. You either write it down now and get credit for it, or you write it down later and do it on your own. It's up to you. Or you don't get credit for it at all. And that's on you. I gotta say, 4 of you were passing 2 weeks ago. As of last week, 13 of you were passing. I was very proud of you guys. But right now, I'm seeing people not working. It's not making me happy. Alright, what's negative 7 times 0?
0.
0. All day, every day. F of 0 equals 0. So therefore, your coordinate is 0, 0. Okay? So these are 2 different ways of graphing. We got one more. So another color. Let's go with blue. What's the last coordinate that I'm putting in? What's the
1.
1? So what is negative 7 times 1?
Positive 7. Or negative 7.
Negative 7. Guys,
I can't see.
All day, every day, Richie.
then move.
In this spot over there.
Okay?
Really?
Alright. You can move your table out a little bit. Okay?
Comes right here.
So negative 1, when you plug in 1, you get a negative 7. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. This isn't hard math, right? The hard part is graphing it, right? So now we have these points. We've got 1, negative 7. How many have graphed before? How many are having trouble graphing? Did I go a little fast over here?
No.
Okay? We're going to graph these in the same color that they're in. So we're going to graph in red. We're going to graph in green. We're going to graph in purple. We're going to graph in blue. Okay? Now, if I look at it, I don't have to go very far. It's basically 1, 0, negative 1, and negative 2. That's pretty easy, right? That's my domain. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. That's my x. Now my y, that depends on what these equal. Right? Equals 7, equal 14, equals 0, equals negative 7. So I got to go down to negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Negative 7. But I got to go all the way up to 14. So that means I'm going to have to move this guy up a little bit and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? And I'm just going to list the ones that I want. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? I need that guy. 0. Well, I know 0 is right here. Right? And then what else do I need? Negative 7. I got that. So I have negative 7, 0, 7, and 14. Now I just do the points. Okay? The first one's the red one, right? So I go to negative 2, and I go up to 14. Just like that. Okay? 2 in the x direction, 14 in the y direction. X's are always left and right. Okay? Y's are always up and down. Right is positive, left is negative. Up is positive, down is negative. If you get used to this, we're going to be using this all the way through geometry, pre-cal, algebra 2, trig, everything will be using this. Okay? You will need to really understand right is positive, left is negative, up is positive, down is negative. If you can get that down, I can teach you anything. And it seems pretty simple, doesn't it?
Always.
Right? I mean, when you go down, it's kind of negative thing. You go up, it's kind of positive. Right? That's how we kind of think of things, right? A lot of religions are up is heaven, down is hell. Right? Positive, negative. Right? Right or left? Right is a positive thing. That's why they use the word, oh, he's right. Oh, he's so positive. Good man. Right?
Always right. Always a positive, fellas.
My dad.
Okay? How am I going to graph this green?
Just put it on the point.
How?
Negative, go left.
Left how many?
1.
Okay?
Go up 7 times.
Bam. Say no more.
1, 2, 3.
How do I graph the purple?
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Say no more.
Say no more. What about the blue?
What is that?
Go.
Negative 7. Positive 1.
Right one,
Down 7.
down 7, then say no more.
Say more.
All right, is that linear?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, there you go. 2 down, 2 to go.